Hello everyone, my name is Devin Latcham and I'm going to be showing you my Google Classroom and Bitmoji Classroom that I worked on for EDU 335. So as you can see, I'm going to click on my Google Classroom in here. I named it Miss Latcham's Classroom, Early Child Education. Right here is the code if you would like to join and see a little bit more of what I did. My cover page really doesn't have much on it because the most important part of the classroom is the classwork. So every Monday I would create a Share Monday for the students to write something fun that they did over the weekend or something they would like to share. Right here we have the week 1 Get to Know Me. So this is where I uploaded all of the intro materials. So I have my Module 4 teaching video, which is my intro video. I uploaded that on YouTube so the students can click right on there. This is our Flipgrid, so the students met me first and then I created a Flipgrid for them. This video right here is the link to the Flipgrid, not a video, I'm sorry. And this is actually a video I uploaded. It's a screen cast of me showing the students how to do it. And then below I linked my virtual classroom that we'll click on in a few moments. So let's go back to the classwork section. And then below here what I'm circling on is week 2, which is labeled outer space. So let's click on that and see what we have. So the first item I posted was the outer space read aloud, just to get the students warmed up and understand what we would be learning about. And then I linked my Bitmoji Classroom again, letting the students know that slides number 11 to 18 would be what they were looking at. Right here I posted the activities for the students to click on and do during our lesson. Right here I have a multiple choice question for the students to fill out. The question was, what is your favorite planet? And then this is my feedback question. I asked the students to write a short answer to some of the questions that I listed. So I have them numbered right here for them to read, and then they're able to add their answer. All right, now let's head over to our virtual classroom. This is my Bitmoji Classroom. Welcome everybody. This poster will change, so keep an eye on that as we flip through. So the first couple of slides will be just what Dr. Hoover asked us to do. So I gave her the link to my LMS, what LMS I chose with the class code. I gave her some examples of what I will use my whiteboard for. This is my bucket list. And then I gave her an example of something like my Share Monday. This is my schedule and organization. I did add pictures so it would be easier for the children to look at or read. Organizational strategy. This is the paragraph that Dr. Hoover wanted us to describe for her. And right here is my intro video. So all of my videos are hyperlinked in my Bitmoji Classroom, thank goodness, because if it wasn't hyperlinked, I don't know how the students would reach YouTube. Then right here I have the directions for the Flipgrid. This is also hyperlinked. The students can click on this and go right to the video. And this is showing the students that we are making a Flipgrid. So I gave them the class code. It's also seen up here in this picture, but this is just a visual for them to know that they're at the right location. And this is our morning meeting song. This is also hyperlinked, but it's also pretty cool that I can play it right through the whiteboard. None of my other videos did this, and I'm not sure why. But this plays right on the whiteboard. We'll go to the next slide. This is our outer space unit starting. So right here I changed the poster, which I told you to look for. And this is just my little greeting to the students talking about what's ahead for us in the next week or so. This is another hyperlinked video for the students to sing along and dance along to learn all of the planets' names. This is my read aloud, so this is also hyperlinked, so the students are able to watch that as well. And right here is where I linked all of the students' activities and crafts. So if you click on this, it takes them to a directions website. So it breaks down each activity with directions and materials needed for it. And I believe this is our last slide. This is an interactive PowerPoint that I uploaded and made myself. The students are able to flip through it and learn the planets' names and also some fun facts about them. So that is the end of the PowerPoint. Everything is located on my YouTube channel. So once I upload this into our D2L shell for Dr. Hoover, and you see the videos, you'll be able to see everything else on my YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed everything that I created, and I can't wait to see all of yours.